Hello guys, today is all about my number system called Dagagagi, and Dagagagi is the inventor, and he was born in May 11th, 30 BC, and he's from the island called Dagi Dagi, and the people in the island Dagi Dagi are the most smartest mathematicians in the world, and Dagagagi is the smartest of them all, and he invented this number system. And so this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. And in this number system, there's no 3, as Dagagagi he only wanted 6 numbers in his number system. So he thought that 3 would be the least useful number in his system. So he took it out. And the shapes of these numbers are like that because Dagagagi had these drawing problems. So this was supposed to be a circle, and this was supposed to be a triangle, and that was supposed to be a trapezium, and these three were supposed to be different kinds of squares, different designs of squares, and because of this problem, he wasn't able to draw the shapes nicely. So now I'll show you how to add and subtract numbers in my number system. So this is 1. So if you add 1 to 2, so this is 2. So in my number system, there's no 3. So instead of 3, it's going to be joined together. So it's going to be written like this. And now they get connected. So in my number system, you need to be very careful to connect. If you want to connect, then that means it's adding. And if you just leave it, then it's just like a normal number. So you need to be very careful. And subtracting, you can just do 2 minus 1 equals 1. So this is just a normal subtracting as like a normal number system, and if you change these both around, and the answer would be -1, so it's just a dash, it's just a normal system. And now I'm going to show you how to multiply and divide. So if you do 1 times a number, so we could do 4, 1 times 4, it would equal to 40, because in this number system, if you write the 1 forward, then it's going to be 10, but if you write it after the number, then it's going to be 1, so it's going to be 40. Which you write like this, and then the 0. So you need to be very careful in this as well, to write the 1 at the right position. And dividing is the same thing. It's the same normal thing of a number system. So if we do 6, divided by 3, which would be two numbers connected together. It would equal to 2. So it's just a normal way of dividing. The bad thing about this number system is that there's no decimals or percentages. So like, because at that time when it was invented, they didn't need it. So there was no point of it. So they didn't have an idea to do it. So that's why they don't have that. They don't have decimals, but they do have indices and fractions, as fractions would help them with like how many cows and stuff they have. So how many cows or sheep they have. So they had fractions, and fractions were written like this. So like 1. Let me write it bigger. 1 over 2 would, in my language, it would become the numerator here, and then 3 dots, and then the denominator. So it will become like that. And then the indices, would be like this. So if it's 1 to the power, so if it's 2, then it would equal to 2 lines. And if it was 5, it would equal to a circle. And if it was above 5, then you would put 2 circles. So if it was like 11, then it would be 1, 0, 0. Well, it looks like that. And if it was 9, then it would be circle, circle, line. So if you want to minus in indices, then you need to put it after the 5s, or if you want to plus, then put it before the 5s. And that's about it in my number system. Thank you for watching.